Hey, welcome to the March edition of the Past Connector. My name is Grant Fritchey. I'm the past president. I am here in beautiful Manchester, England at Sequel Bits, talking to my Sequel family, and I'm really excited about this event, and I'm excited about stuff coming up with PASS. Now let's start off talking about the PASS Summit 2019. Call for speakers opens, and abstracts are going to be accepted until March 31st. Now, I highly encourage you to submit a session. This is your opportunity to share your knowledge and enhance your career at the same time. If you missed the PASS Data Series virtual event last month, you can still purchase download access to the top 16 sessions from Summit 2018 through the PassStuff.com store. Be sure and check it out. Now, in March, we celebrate Women's History Month and the International Women's Day. And so the PASS Community Spotlight this month includes blog posts from the inspiring women in our community, as well as a list of all the Women in Technology sponsored events coming up at Sequel Saturdays. Now, guess who's turning 20? Me! No, not at all. April 5th marks PASS's 20th birthday, and that's all thanks to our community. So keep an eye on PASS.org and our social media channels this month. We'll be asking you to share visions, stories, videos, pictures of all your best PASS experiences from throughout 20 years. We have a lot of stuff coming up, a lot of fun games planned. Keep an eye on this and keep a watch out. Now, we are also looking for new PASS members and especially first-time speakers. We want somebody who wants to share their insights on the future of data and how they envision the industry and their careers evolving over the next 20 years. If you're looking for an opportunity to boost your speaking experience, be sure to submit a session for the upcoming PASS Learnings and Future Visions virtual event. All right, congratulations to Hamish Watson for winning the Outstanding Volunteer Award. Now, Hamish is an invaluable member of the PASS community and has contributed in so many ways. And seriously, you got to sit down with the guy sometime. It's awesome. So thanks for all you do, Hamish. Last but not least, I want to share that changes are coming to PASS TV, to the PASS TV YouTube channel. We're going to be listing, reorganizing, and increasing the searchability of all that free content. So be sure you subscribe to the channel and stay updated on this free, on-demand video content. All right, that wraps it up from here in Manchester. And thanks a lot. This is the PASS Connector. My name is Grant Fritchey.